Groups in Moodle are a great way to keep your users organized within a course. This is useful in the case where one course may have many different teachers, and each teacher would like to assign content or work only to their particular group. To create a new group, click on the gear icon, then click on More, click on the Users tab, and then click Groups. On the Default tab, we'll see a list of all the groups that are in our course. Currently, there are none. If we click on the Overview tab, we'll get an overview of the groups as well as their members, and we can also see the members of this course who are not in a group. To create a new group, click on the Groups tab, then click Create Group. The mandatory field for the group is a group name. We'll leave the rest of the fields as default for now and click Save Changes. Now we can add users to our group. To do that, click on Add or Remove Users and then select the users who you'd like to add to the group. You can hold down the Control key while selecting users to select multiple users. Once you've selected all the users, click Add. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Back to Groups. And now we can see that Group 1 has 4 participants. If we head back to the Overview tab, we can see a list of all the groups and a list of all the members who are in the group. We can also view members of a group in the Participants page. Click on Participants and in the Filters box, click the drop-down arrow and look for the option that says Group 1. This will filter out our users and only show us the users who belong in the Group 1. Right now, that's all the users in our course. We can also remove a user from a group from this page. Click on the pencil icon next to the group name and then click on the X icon on the group name and then click Save. This user is no longer a part of this group. To assign a teacher to a group, click on Enroll Users, find the teacher, then under Assign Role, click Teacher, and then click Enroll Selected Users. Right now, we are still filtering our list to only view the users in this group. To remove the filters, click on the X next to the filter. To assign our teacher to the group, click the pencil icon, click on the drop-down menu to view all the groups, select the group you want to add the teacher to, and then click Save.